Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will be activated as and when I bring in the readings or any other videos. So let's see what is in cards today. But before I start, I would suggest that today, if you can hear the Durga Chalisa burning a ghee lamp in the morning or in the evening, if you're doing it in the morning, then in the morning between 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. If in the evening again same 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Any one time, put on the Durga Chalisa and burn a ghee lamp and just sit there. Tomorrow the color is going to be green, either a dark green or a light green. Any shade of green is okay, but green also. If you can add half a cup of milk to your bath water and have bath with that water first and then have bath with your regular water, that ways the day will be good and energies will also be good. But now let's see what is in the cards. Let's just take the cards. Okay, the first card is the wheel, more like a wheel of fortune. So I feel this card has come that times are going to change and good times are ahead and good things are going to happen ahead. So there's nothing to worry as such, but we will still pull one or two cards more just to have a feel of what it is. Okay, that's a beautiful card, the Knight of Wands. If you see, it's a dragon. It's a fierce dragon with fire out. Mainly, when you see a fierce dragon with a fire out, it actually means that ready to charge or ready to rule the world, ready to move forward in my career or in my personal life, whatever we take it as. But I'm ready for this change and I'm ready to go with the flow. So, those who are planning to start a new business or a new venture should actually start because times are going to change. If you're looking for a change of job, then yes, you should start looking out for a change of job because I feel that things will work in your favor. And those who are looking out for any small or big changes in life, time has come to go by your intuition and take the decision and move forward with the decision. But overall, if I see today, I feel the day is good. Work wise, it is good. Personal life also, it is good. And Page of Coins. So, even financially, if you are planning something in finances, it will be good in that also. Overall, an amazing and a beautiful day. So, what good it will be then chanting or starting your day with the Durga Chalisa and wearing the color green because end card has come as green. So somewhere we are on the right track. The intuition gave me the right color. So go with the color green and have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.